A young man was very successful in everything he did in life. His friends, colleagues, and family members look up to him. He felt very proud about his achievements in his life. Others took him as a role model for success in life. He wanted to achieve more at work. One day, he was given a new project. A successful young man was not skilled to handle this new project. He was anxious now. The one who was icon of success suddenly became laughing stock in the office. The very people who said he was a star performer looked down upon him like a loser. He felt very shaken and confused. How can people talk about me like this? He felt depressed and negative. He wanted to win, but this was not his game. He won too many times in the past, but this one is hard. And suddenly it occurred to him, why should I lose? Maybe this is not my game. Maybe I do not have success as my motivation, but let me use the failures as my motivation. Let all the negative comments and the jokes about me fuel me. The young man who was waiting for motivation to come from positivity started to take motivation from negativity. He learned the required skills for the project, using negativity as his motivation. He successfully carried out the project with quality and distinction. He silenced all the negative people with his success by using their own negativity. Research shows that happy and successful people are excellent problem solvers. Research also tells that people are usually surrounded with negativity more than positivity. But if you choose to use your negativity as your fuel, then it becomes positivity too. Too many times, like the young man, we wait for good vibes and positive motivation to get going, which is good. If you have, feel blessed and keep moving forward. However, at other times, you can use all the hate, rejection, failures, and mean comments around you and fuel it to charge your motivation. Do not wait for positive things to motivate you. Use the lots of negativity around you as the motivation to become an excellent problem solver and be happy in your life.